everyone, welcome back to Pam's Wig Adventure. And my adventure today is another hair mail for, I got 4 from Paula Young. I totally forgot even that I ordered these. I think I did it when it was the 40% off. But they came today and I wasn't expecting it. So I'm on vacation this week. So while I'm on a roll, I figured let me do the hair mail now before I get caught up. So this is the Amazon one that I just showed you in one of the other videos. I love this one. I don't know. So anyway, I have, let me tell you the names, because I got some real different ones. So I got Mason, I got Rowan, I got Chantal, and Cerese. I guess Cerese is how you say it. All right, let's get started. So let's start with Mason. Oh, I should have wrote down. This is SF 5160. I think that's the gray, isn't it? Yeah, I did it in gray. Oh, yeah. Let's see. I bought another gray one. Woo! I'm excited. Let's see. Okay. Here she is. Oh, she's pretty, but she's not rooted. Ooh, we're gonna have to root it. I don't think I have. I don't know, what color would you root it with? Would it be like a dark brown? Yeah, she's got crisscross. So, we'd have to fix that. So she's cute. Let's see what the cap looks like. Cap is white. So we've got just an open extended cap, open ear tabs, basic cap, open weft. Okay, let's try her on. This one is so cute. I love it. All right, let's take her off. We'd have to name her though. She doesn't have a name. Blondie. No, I don't want to call Blondie. That's got a bad memory with that. All right, let's just shake her up a little bit. Let's shake her up just a little, not too much. All right. This is Mason. Let's see what Mason has. See how flat they come? Now you know that this is not what they look like when I get done with them. But I wanted you to see them sort of out of the box, right? So I want this whole hair mail thing, because I really wanted you to see what they look like out of the box. See, now if I didn't know what I know, and I didn't know that I could do what I do, I would send this back right away. I would send this back right away. It's got box here. It's flat as can be right here. There's not a lot of material. Like, you don't know how you can lift it. This, yeah, I would send this back right away if I didn't know what I know. So ladies, please, okay, you can play with your wigs the same way that you play with your hair. Don't send them back right away. Give them a chance. Give them a chance. So this, all right, so here's Mason. With a little bit of love. I think she's going to be cute. I don't know, what do you think? Did I pick the right one to do another one in gray? She needs a lot of work. Needs a lot of work right here. So, I'm not 100% crazy about her. I do love the color though. I like the color. I like where the style is supposed to be going. But I hope this isn't, something feels wrong right here. Something just feels wrong right here, so I hope it's not that it's something's messed up with the stitching, but something does feel wrong right here. Like right here, it doesn't feel stitched right. So I might not mess her up too much. I'm not gonna cut her. Can you believe I'm gonna say that I'm not gonna cut her thing off, because I think something seems wrong right here. All right, next one is Rowan in SF1026, which I believe is my honey. Yep, here she is. Okay. And she's got her cap out already, so I'll show you. Open cap. Open ear tabs. Just a regular basic cap. Okay. Yep, that's the honey. That's my honey. All right, let's shake her up. I gotta shake her up. All right, let me get this one off. Something is wrong with this one. Something is wrong. Does not feel right at all. All right, let's put this one on. This is Rowan. What is Rowan supposed to look like? I totally messed her up. So I don't even know what she's supposed to look like. I should bring the pictures, right? I should bring the pictures of what they look like in the magazines, because they look cute in the magazines. But she has potential. Rowan has potential. Love the color. Let me see if she's even on right. Yeah, she's on right for the most part. So Rowan looks like a little cute, like a little bit of a bob with some bangs. She's got the, here, let me show. I'm sorry, I keep forgetting to do the back. Here, let me show you all sides. I don't know, this one, these, did I pick 4 flops? Did I flop? Was this a hair fail? And I'm not that crazy about this one either. I mean, it's cute. I don't know. It's got a little bit of potential. But this one feels like it needs a lot of work too. Yeah, she feels like she needs a lot of work. Well, maybe not a lot of work. She's coming there a little bit already. Yeah, she's coming there. She's cute. She's cute. I like the length. She feels very thin in the back, so like there's not a lot of hair. Very thin in the back. But she's got this little cute thing here. I like that. All right, we'll have to play with her. So let's see what the next one is. The next one is Chantal in 12. Color's 12, it must be dark, right? Chantal in 12. Oh, I can't get the box open. Okay, what do we got here? Oh yeah, dark brown. Yeah, I needed some brown. Definitely needed some brown. All right, so Chantal, I don't remember what she looked like either. So Chantal, let's see. So she's got no extended nape. open ear tabs, basic cap, basic front, and okay, so she's a little longer, got some funky bangs. She looks like she's got a lot of box hair. All right, let's take this one off. This Rowan reminds me a little bit of Claire. All right. I like the 12 though. I like the color. I like that color. All right. Oh, she's got some serious box hair going on up here. So these look similar. Chantal and Rowan look similar. All right. Gonna have to look at the pictures. All right, look at that. She's got some serious box hair going on. I gotta spray it. Okay, let's see what we got here. Looks a little bit like Chris and Tara. I think they're all starting to look the same, and I think I'm buying the same wigs and they just rename them. This one needs some work too. It's got a lot of box hair. All right, let me show you. Okay. Yeah, she needs a lot of work too. She needs a lot of work too. All right, guys, I'm not crazy about this haul. Not crazy about this haul at all. All right, so let's see if we hit the, did we, with Cerese in SF 1228. I think that's buttered toast. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like. Okay, let's see. All right, so we have same thing, open ears, extended nape, basic cap. I'm surprised because I thought if they turned them inside out that they were not supposed to get box hair. Oh, she's got real pretty, really pretty waves. Yeah, real pretty waves. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the buttered toast. All right, let's take off Chantal. And let's try Cerese. All right, so she might be the only one that's decent. They all need a lot of work. I feel old in this one. I don't like this one at all. All right, she's gonna need a lot of work too. Yeah, I feel old in this one. Oh, that's not too bad. I'm gonna have to play with her. All right, let me show you all around. All right, so I'm not crazy about any of these. So I don't know if it's the hair, if it's me today, if it's the blouse. but I am not crazy about any of these. So we're going to hope that, you know, when I go to put them on and make them mine, that I have better luck. But right now, I'm not liking these. So, as usual, let me know your thoughts below. And if you're watching and you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe and hit that bell so you get my notifications, and like, okay? Like, don't like, feed me comments, whatever. But, so here I've given you a little bit this week. I've given you Renee of Paris, so I gave you name brand. I gave Paula Young, I gave Amazon, and I gave Ebony Line. So 4 different hair mails this week from all types of variety of wigs. So we had a good look at all kinds of styles, all kinds of, you know, price ranges. So next one coming up is Layton. All right, I'm getting ready. That's the one I'm wearing. All right. Thank you. Bye.